this box. I think they're looking good. Look at this. Oh, but actually, this is what I'm going to do now. Oh my god, look at this amazingness.
So this is the proper way to open it.
Yeah. Oh, look at it. Elegant.
So it's tortilla wrapped.
Oh my god, c'est plus grand que l'autre fois.
It's better than last time?
Shall I dip in here in the ice cream? Oh,
Don't you dare.
Okay, I dare. Garlic sauce.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
You want to open the other one?
Yeah. Sorry. And leave this for later. Oh my god. This is exactly what you want. Comforting food. Oh my god.
So all this
Oh, look at this, amazing.
And this.
I'm gonna have a bite now.
and that, all of this meal
10
is
euros.
$10. Exactly.